Hey everyone, hope you're doing good today. So today we're going to talk about a lot of coins that have run up double digits, as well as some news on Twitter and a couple coins with some chart analysis, mainly Ethereum Classic, and then a couple big ones that, again, I've been looking at. So a lot of DeFi coins and Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So one of the big coins that was running up today was Ethereum Classic. So I don't know if y'all kept track of that, but right now it's up 14% to $91. It really was up, I think, over 40% today, and, in the beginning of the day, and it was doing really, really well. And I think that's contributed a lot to Ethereum, basically kind of the duo there. If one pumps, the other pumps, kind of seeing that same as we see with XRP and Stellar. So kind of that duo relationship there. But that's something interesting, and we're actually going to follow some technical analysis. I'm going to show y'all on ETC if y'all interested in buying some later on. But again, looking at the market, it's in the green right now. Not a whole lot, but again, a lot of coins are in the green. Mainly looking at our watch list. So some big coins on here I want to mention that I did mention in the Discord group again. So some big ones right now that we are talking about. So one of those is actually GraphLink Protocol. So GraphLink Protocol is at 8.6 cents. And we actually alerted this, I believe it was at 7 cents. So if you look here, we actually alerted it. If we scroll down here, so you can see right there. So see 6.9 cents there. We alerted GraphLink Protocol. And then also there was one, WEX token is actually one that's been doing really well. So this one we alerted at 4.5 cents. And now I believe it's over at least 12 cents. So because they're actually burning a lot of tokens, Walt Finance, if you don't know them, they're actually burning a lot of tokens for the WEX token. So it's already gone up a 3x from there. And then another one was EULER that has gone up a lot actually. So we alerted that one at 15 cents. And then now I believe it is close to 24 cents. So I'll show you that one real quick. So there you go. So 15.71 cents. And then here you can see on CoinMarketCap right now, it's sitting at about 23 cents. So a good 50% gain on that one. And then Gather, it's actually doing really well, 38% up to 34 cents as well. We called that one near 10 cents. But again, a lot of coins doing good on our watch list, and especially MEPAD. That one's up 16% to 17 cents. This one we alerted at 11 cents. So if you're interested in the Discord group, go ahead and send me a message on Twitter. Go and send me a DM. But the big things with these projects, again, I went over some of them in my last video. But for GraphLink, again, they're doing a lot of automation and searching actually for their platform. So we'll go ahead and I'll show you exactly what they are. So it says they automate actions on chain and off chain without having to code. So again, trying to integrate newer people into the market without having to learn any programming languages. And they're partnering with all Polygon Matic, which is huge because anything on Matic is usually pumps pretty good. So that was one of the big reasons why that coin is going up, GraphLink. And then MEPAD is actually has their IDO this Saturday. And they have different allocations that you have to hold to get access to their IDOs. And again, it's like the launch pad for meme coins. So this one I think is going to be really big. As you know, meme coins have been going crazy lately. And then EULER Tools was one that they're actually, they've had a lot of partnerships recently. And the big thing with EULER Tools is they're actually partnering, I believe it was with Parsec, and then they actually released their V1 launch. They actually had that today. So you already see a lot of people tweeting about them. And they also have Walt Stakes to claim rewards. So now that's available May 5th. So again, you can stake on Walt Finance. And again, you can do a lot of good things with EULER and actually WEX. You can stake on Walt Finance as well. So some good little tips of information there for you. But yeah, with that, let's go ahead and go into some technical analysis. So, and actually ChainSwap was one. Again, it's at 245. It was mentioned by Radium. Actually, they partnered with ChainSwap. So this coin may be one to look for in the future at 245. But going for Ethereum Classic here. So again, big one that people want to look at. So I've had a lot of questions about drawing some technical analysis for this one. So a lot of lines here. This big line here is actually the 4 hour. So I was trying to find some big trend lines here. And again, this 4 hour is probably the biggest one I could find, which again, if it keeps going up, then we're looking at a target of around 123. But to get really some good support resistance, I had to go down to the hourly chart. So you can see here, we have some good diagonals here on the hourly. Now, right now where we're at, again, it's at 91.90, and the support level is really big right now. It's trying to keep If we can maintain the support level and close above it and then above this resistance line, it's going to be extremely bullish and definitely see us flying up to $96 as the next resistance. Now, if we can't, then I can see us falling down to this trend line here. It's going to be approximately $86, possibly some good buy levels between the $86 level and then down here around the $79, $80 level. So, but again, support and resistance, it's kind of squeezed right now. But again, if it can break above this, this will act as support, and then hopefully this will turn into an ascending triangle, which almost looks like, and then we can bounce off to the upside and again go for our next target. But again, for some buy levels, definitely recommend down here between $86 and $80. And next, let's go for Solana. So for Solana, right now it's not looking too good. Again, it had a dip to 42.54. This looks like a descending triangle as on the 4 hour, so I can definitely see us going down to this $40 level. Again, could be some good buy levels down here, so don't count it out just yet. But again, it hasn't really been performing that well. But if we do break to the upside here towards this resistance of 44.50, then could definitely see us pushing all the way up to $48 here easily. So keep that in mind if you're betting on Solana. But again, not looking too good right here. You definitely could see us falling down to $40 and then further down to 39 if so. So definitely trying to push up, but again, not looking too good. So we'll have to see what happens there. And then Radium, again, Radium's at support level 2 at 1390, and then next support is going to be at 1330, followed by 1220. So if this falls down, again, some possible good buy levels to do there. Right now the MACD is rejecting off the 4 hour, RSI curving down, and MFI Pro starting to, looks like it possibly wants to level out. So not too good. Again, I'm going to drag this over here, possibly again some good buy levels around this levels here. So keep that in mind with that. And then next going to be Serum. So again, Serum was doing really well. Right now it did break through support. So again, you see a lot of DeFi coins breaking through support. And then again, I'm going to draw this net around here. Again, it's kind of big net, but where you want to be. So $10, $9.60, $9.11, and then $8.11. So $8.11 to $10. Again, DCAing a little bit on each of there. Some really good support levels on there. But everything is starting to curve down now, so possibly going to retest at least a couple of these support levels before we go a little bit higher. Next, FIDA. So FIDA, again, broke through this trend line, retested as resistance, and then now is retested as resistance again and broke back down. So looking at about 320, and then if it falls through that, $3. So possibly some good DCA action in here. And but if it does break to the upside, then again looking at this resistance of 350 all the way up to 360. So everything curving down again, not looking too good for Bonfida. Next, looking at XVS, so Venus Protocol. Again, they have their airdrop May 15th, so make sure to take hold some of that. But you can see here on the 4 hour, we actually bounced all the way up perfectly to this resistance of 131. Rejected off of it, and now we're at about that 117 level. So again, good support around here. I'll be surprised if it breaks down. If it does, then I'm definitely looking at this next support of $97. But if it can break to the upside, then again, this 131 to 133 levels, very high resistance. So everything's curving down, not looking too good. But again, hopefully these support levels can hold up. And finally, Matic. So Matic, again, has been, this resistance has just been holding for a while now. So looking forward to retest this 70-cent level. Then if it breaks down, looking for it, unfortunately, to come down possibly to this 50 level. So hopefully we don't see that and it breaks to the upside. But again, MACD is really close to wanting to, so it's crossed to the upside and it's already about to cross the downside. So very bearish there. So I can definitely see Matic retesting this 70-cent level. And then last but not least, Bitcoin. Bitcoin again. Nice, it broke above resistance, retesting this support here at this 56,300. It looks like it wants to continue higher. I mean, RSI is leveled out, but MACD is still curving up. MFI Pro is right at the bottom of crossing to the downside, so possibly some bearish action. But again, looking up here at this, this 60,000 level, if we can break to the upside here. So hopefully doing that. But there's a strong support down here at around 51,500. So if it does get down there, possibly layering some orders down there. But with that, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Again, if you want to join the Discord group, go ahead and message me on Twitter, DM me with the link up there at the crypto data, or you can message me on Discord directly. But with that, until next time, thanks for watching.